Dear students, parents and coaches, I have tried my best to keep WRO Ethics code intact while creating this tutorial. So this tutorial is divided into 9 parts. In part 1, we will see what are the different categories in WRO competition. Part 2 is about what all things required to participate in the competition. In part 3, we will see the WRO Ethics code. In part 4, we will understand the game description, what all things are there for you to solve the challenge. And in part 5, we have the different strategies. We will understand what are the different ways you can solve the challenge. Part 6 is about robot chassis, where we will understand which motors or sensors required to solve the challenge. Part 7 is where you will learn different programming concepts which might be very useful to solve the WRO challenge. Part 8, we will learn a digital designing platform where you can design your robot into the digital form and generate the building instruction which you can use to practice the robot building. And at last, in part 9, you can understand how practice game mats and score sheet can be used in your engineering notebook for the practice at the end. So basically this tutorial is very useful for you to prepare for WRO competition step by step. And it is very useful for the teams who are going to participate first time in the World Robot Olympiad competition. So basically in this tutorial, I have used LEGO Mindstorms EV3 set and the EV3 Lab software to work on the challenge. But if you're using any other platform like Spike Prime or Robot Inventor or NXT or any other software platform, so basically it doesn't matter whichever platform of hardware or software you're using. So if you see the strategy, the mechanism, the programming concepts, everything remains the same. It's only about the hardware or software what you're using. So still I feel whatever platform you're using, this tutorial will be very useful for you as all these concepts remain same. So only one thing you should not expect from this tutorial is the direct solution to the problem. Thank you so much.